Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to the Goodfeel animation. Thank you so much for watching this video. In this episode I want to show you how you can convert SVG file to the 3D object and make beautiful 3D object for yourself. Now I want to uploading the ship SVG file on the screen of Blender. Import SVGs. If you have seen this, yes, we have so many parts on this ship. For example, this container and this ship and everything, so that you have seen here. So my friend, for convert this all of part this ship to the 3D object, you should select all of this. If you go into the viewport shading and method of display shade object in the 3D view and or frame view, you have see different view of this SVG file. So I'm going to this method and step by step convert this part to the 3D object with executed item that we have in the right toolbar. Actually is here, and we add some number to executed this. So I'm select free. Yeah, this work it takes so many line time, and you should have wait and take expert to this down and become to the 3D object. Yes, was so funny job that you can do it in the any 3D software like the Blender. Now we do it in this software. So if you pay attention to this, yeah, we going to down to see what's going on. Let's me to set this view. Yeah, look at this. All of this point is coming up with executed, and now is stay to do it. So we come back to the previous location that we were and keeping to do it and executed this. Can find out SVG format to any website about the vector file that they uploading vector file with all of kind format in there, and you can find out useful format for yourself. If you want it, you can find out Autodisk or AutoCAD format almost for the this software. Actually that's work. Yeah, You can change this number on the field and give new number to execute your all of part that you have seen here. Yeah, very good. When you click on this part, it's become to the orange light. That's me, and you selected that to change it and edit. So I think it's ready now. Yeah. But yeah, it's good, and they coming up. Yeah, you can change volume of this object. So we go into the another part and special this. Yeah, I think one is good. 0.1. Yeah, if you have C, yeah, it's coming up. Now you see that. If you wanted, you can change this for yourself. For example, go there and select this. See. What is going on? Yeah, it's good. I'm again coming up, and you have see all of this. So again, another part is coming up. You have see that. And see this. It's good. Now again, I'll come back to the previous location. Yeah, it's ready. It's good. It's ready. So So everyone, we changed all of this part to the 3D and executed. So we have see this 3D container ship that we make from the SVG format that we uploaded in the Blender, and now we rotate this. Yeah, very good. And take us on the keyboard to change it to the big size that you have see in here. So there we go, and we take Shift A on the keyboard to select the plan. Yes, very good and amazing. Right under this ship, to make beautiful image of this ship. Very good. So I'm take tab on the keyboard and select one side of this plan and take E on the keyboard to execute this, and select down line of this plan and going to the modifier properties and select the generate, and then sub menu select the bevel. So it's good, and take tab on the keyboard. Select shade auto smooth, but we need more. Yeah, very good. Now it's okay. So I'm go to the viewport shading and change the strings in the environment or world properties, and select this plan and change or add material to this. For example, on Usami, red is good, or paint, or orange. I think what is below, and we select the below, and we need the light. Select the area right, excuse me, area light here, and going to data to change power number of these. I'm select 50 is good. Yeah. Now it's time I'm change alpha and a lot of roughnesses. Change to down. Select the ocean. You can wave this for yourself like this if you want it. If you know, you don't change this. can change roughness for yourself, and the application light, rotate, and another the light, and now rotate again. So it's good. And we need to another light for front of this screen. Yeah, now it's okay. This time we need the camera to make change the strings number to the 0 and take Shift A to select the camera for ourselves, and take Ctrl Alt 0 on the keyboard to camera to or come into your location, and make every view for yourself. For example, from above, front, left, right, and every side that any side that you want. So I'm choice this. It's good. Now it's time I'm go to the up toolbar and select the render image to a picture, and object is render, and you have see this amazing and beautiful. You can make any object from the SVG file for yourself, and uploading, of course, uploading this original SVG format in the Blender, and make 3D object for yourself or Love Poly. So we wait to this render number or sample is down, and reach to the 1496, and our picture is ready to use. You can use of this picture for your desktop, and or sell in every marketplace, as I told you in the previous episode. If you see this container that's made by the SVG format in the Adobe Illustrator or CorelDRAW and any software, and export to the SVG or Autodesk format, and you can bring this on the Blender and make 3D object. So everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like because this give me so many energy to keeping capture video for you. So to another video, goodbye.